Hello, everybody. You might be able to tell I added new music to the music playlist. We will probably get copyright claimed. So this stream is kind of testing to see what happens with new music and which ones get copyright claimed. So actually, I should probably play all the new music then. Well, let me start. Let me not shuffle anymore. And I'm just gonna start from the new music. So first one on the list, not copyrighted. What's up, everybody? Four-tone person, how's it going? How's it hanging? Oh, chic. Yeah, I saw your post about me misspelling your name. I apologize about that. So I will fix that in the next update. I also need to add a few other things in the menus, like the French and Italian or Italians and not French though, right? Maybe? Can't remember. What's up, MBG? Yeah, I'm doing pretty good. I'm just keeping busy with school. So, yeah. We're so close. Yeah, it is the unknown song. The most mysterious song on the internet. It goes kind of hard, and I figured it's not copyright claimed, right? So why not? Got contacts yesterday. Let's go. I'm wearing contacts right now. Watch me move them out of the way. They kind of want to automatically go back into place when you do that, but yeah. Contacts are pretty good. I love contacts because it lets me do all the normal things that glasses are pain for, like VR. VR is actually really the reason I got them in the first place, but they're just more comfortable than glasses. So, at least in my opinion. Yeah, so I do stream once on the weekdays, which is today on Wednesday. Sometimes I don't stream on Wednesday just because it's so busy during the week for me with school, but today I got some time, so we're gaming. But yeah. VR, yeah, we're actually gonna be doing VR stuff today, which is cool. But yeah, that's the reason. Yeah. It was right when, like, I think the VR stuff was getting pretty big with, like, the Rift and stuff, so I was like, I don't want to deal with these stupid glasses anymore with this. Yeah, hi, bro, welcome. Hope you're doing good. Chip plays in Virtual Insanity by Jamiroquai. What's the pose? Is it just a... And then he just gets... Wait, let me make sure I know this. Oh, right, it's like the... Like that. Spent like 200 for VR. Oh, I've spent more than 200 on VR. I bought the Rift, realized the Rift sucks. Now I have the Quest 2. This is another unknown song I put on here. But they only have like a 20-second clip of it, so it's really short. But it goes hard also. So I just had to fade it out. And then I got some other versions of classical music in here, hopefully that aren't copyrighted. I just don't know. So I'm guessing like an 80% chance that we're getting copyrighted on this stream, but it's fine. It's a short one anyways. Just kick you from the server. I can. Oh, you mean from the Minecraft server? Yeah, sure. Yeah, we'll do that right now. Are you on right now? Because I can do it. Yeah, looks like you are. Did it work? Is kick a command? It is, right? Is it? I don't know. Yeah, it's kick. Did it work? I don't know if it worked. Anyways. Where do I recommend you start, or what you start making for a Godot game? Yeah, so, biggest thing, start tiny. Do something very simple first, and just make sure that you can do that. You don't think it did? Huh. Let me try this again, really quick. It is, not working. I don't know what to do here. Yeah, I don't know. I would just restart your game in the launcher and stuff, see if that helps. Let me just restart the server, honestly. I'll do that. Yeah, anyways, starting your first Godot game, keep it tiny, start with something easy, like just getting like a player to move or something. I actually just talked about this last night with a friend. But yeah, don't jump into something that is going to burn you out. That's the big thing. Don't jump into it expecting to make World of Warcraft clones, because you're not going to be able to. Even the best game developer ever would have a really hard time trying to make anything the scale of World of Warcraft. It's just too much stuff. So, go simple. Simple as possible. Yeah, I mean, you could go platformer. I think top-down movement, honestly, is easier, because all you have to do is just move. Like, you don't have to deal with gravity and stuff, so it's really easy. I think Vampire Survivor like, yeah, Vampire Survivor like would be pretty easy, I would think. You know, just kind of moving around and shooting bullets. That's easy stuff. So that would be actually a pretty good thing to start out with. Trying to make a survival like Starground fan game. Let's go. Yeah, do it up. Gonna make an MMORPG. Oh yeah, no problem. That's easy. That's easy stuff. Yeah. You could get that done in a weekend. Yeah. You know, I've considered this song playing right now. Chopin Nocturne, Opus 9, Opus 9, number 2. I can just play it myself on my piano, right? Focus. Because I've considered doing that, because if I played it, then I can't get copyright claimed for my own rendition, right? So, maybe we'll do that. But we'll see. Anyways, let's get gaming here. Yeah, I've been playing piano for a long time. Ever since I was like 5. So it's been quite some time. But yeah. Then I started getting into a lot of classical music. So what this is it's different items that you're gonna pick up. So there's a burger, a donut, a strawberry, a duck, a penguin, a stegosaurus, and then some office supplies, which we'll start doing. Let's play Tortoise March so you can go on stream without getting copyrighted. Yeah, right. Yeah, like this freaking dinosaur. Uh-oh. The rain has started. Did any of you hear that thunder? That big it sounded like someone like dropped a dumpster full of rocks. You know what I mean? Whoa. Yeah, I've got a Quest 2. Which I know it's outdated and lame because the Quest 3 is out now. That's fine. But yeah, this is what I'm going to be using to test out today. Man, these lenses are dirty. I might have to clean them up here. I don't know if I have a microfiber cloth, but I think my shirt will do. It's cotton, right? But yeah, the Quest 2 is fine. I've always wanted to get like a Steam Valve Index because that headset goes hard, just with the specs and stuff. But it's just too expensive. It's like $1,000. Like if the Valve Index 2 comes out anytime soon, I might consider that one. But yeah. Here's this YouTube person who gets absolutely drunk with his friends, tries to sing songs, give them out to the public so they don't get copyrighted. So bad as they don't get copyrighted, yeah. That's one way to do it. Quest 2 broke. I'm sorry to hear that. This better be charged. If it's not charged, guys, I'm gonna do something I'm gonna regret. Okay, I think we're okay. Turn on! Okay, there we go. I need to open Oculus software. It's still called Oculus on my computer, even though it's not Oculus anymore, which is funny. It should be called Meta. So I'm trying a different version of the Overture. We're gonna see what happens. New drivers are required. Okay. Just better not restart my computer. Man, we're definitely getting copyright claimed, aren't we? The thing that would suck is if we got muted on Twitch. Because the thing with YouTube copyright claims is that they never mute the VOD. They just either, like, take your monetization away or make it so you can't see it in certain countries. But Twitch will just be like, nah, no one can just hear this part of the video now. Which is too bad. Sorry, FNAF. FNAF moment. Where am I? No, I didn't have the dashboard open. Yo, Abra! 3 community subs. That's insane. Thank you so much for that. Let's go. Everybody give a big shout out to Abra. That's crazy. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. It's crazy. Dang, dude. Thank you so much, Abra. That's awesome. Wait. We already played this one earlier. Let me skip this one. I love Arabesque. It's an algorithm that determines the copyright on Twitch. If so, how would they be able to tell if it was you playing the piano versus an artist? Well, that's the thing. I don't know how, like, closely it's analyzing the song. If it is very, like, looking for a very close match, then it would be able to tell the difference between me playing it on the piano and playing the copyrighted version. And that's the thing with classical music, is that I think you kind of have to have that. Because, wow, it's really raining outside. It never rains. That's crazy. Sorry, it's just raining like crazy outside, just dumping on my window. With classical music, the music itself is public domain, but the composition is not. You can still copyright like an orchestra composition of the public domain music, which I think is kind of stupid. I'm gonna be real. I'm just gonna say that now. I feel like if a song is public domain, in all versions of that should be public domain, but, you know. Lawyers and whatnot, am I right? Well, let's figure out how to get this, confirm my boundary. My floor is off. Let's create a new boundary. I've confirmed the floor level. I'm gonna do a stationary boundary. I cannot see chat in VR. So, when I'm in VR, I'm blind. Going in blind, going in raw. That's not... Never mind. I am in the Matrix. Okay. So we should be in now. So we do have just some new scenes in here. So first off, we have... Where is it? Oh, I'm sorting by tree, that's why. Okay, so we have Forest 2. Do you guys like Forest 2? It's on fire. Yeah, you'll be able to see what's happening once I actually launch the game. So Forest 2 is on fire. Forest 1 is not on fire. So this is kind of the point of this scientific experiment, is seeing how a distressing environment, like a burning forest, changes how you handle, like, how good your organization skills are. So yeah. We're gonna see what happens. Dinos right now, yeah, right. Dinos are not having a good time. Yeah. That's essentially what we're testing here. So what I have is I have this, which is a bin, and you can put items into the bins, in order to sort them. So we kind of need to test that sorting function. I know a lot of you remember this world from one of the streams. This world will be no longer soon. So yeah. So let's go into the forest. Forest 2, I can actually delete this body. Goodbye, character body. See you later. And can I just make this the default? How do I do that again? I think it's in project. This song goes hard. Where's the default scene? Does anybody know where that is? I've never changed it before. I always just set it at the beginning with the prompt. Oh, it was just under run? Okay. Oh, yeah, you're right. Okay. Player has been inserted into the scene. So when we play the project, we should be in the forest. But let's double check. I'm going in. I hear it. Hello? Did it turn off? Huh? No viewport was marked with use XR. You can see I'm like in it, right? But like I don't see anything. Weird. I have 1,500 hours in Godot. How do I not know that? I have much more than 1,500, but Steam keeps resetting it. Literally, I'll go in here and I'll like see my hours and it's like 2,000, and then all of a sudden it snaps back to 1,600, and I don't know why. And that's been happening over and over. I probably have at least, bare minimum, 2,500 at this point. What is up with this? I'm gonna just restart it. It says there's no viewport was marked with use XR. Does anybody know why? I'm gonna check back in world. XR camera. That should be fine. It couldn't load the global script. Weird. Let me go fix that. Maybe that's why. Nope. But you can see my hands move. I'm in the place and the head moves, but it's black for me inside. Here, take a look. Yeah, I don't know what's up. I'm gonna look this up. Use XR. Trying to figure out why. God, we're getting so copyright claimed with this one, gamers. I'm gonna close the world. I know, wild stuff, right? Was it that there was another camera in here? No. Okay, sorry. So you said, do you mind if I take some files from your game and put them into mine? I would not be super comfortable with that. I mean, here's the thing. I'm okay with you modding the game. I probably will outlaw this type of modding soon anyways. But I don't want really anyone to use the straight up assets, since that's kind of like, you know, my intellectual property. I don't know. It depends. If the game is fully free, I might be okay with that. But here's the thing, is that you could take assets that are important. Like, I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna say no direct assets. I understand it is a fan game, but a fan game can still be a fan game with using its own assets. Well, I know these ones aren't copyrighted. I'm gonna say no reuse of the assets just because that's a slippery slope. You can definitely like create your own that are in the same kind of style, but that's all I would say. Oh, it's because I don't have the world script in here. That would be why. Talking textures. Yeah, I understand. I don't know. I think I'm still gonna have to say no. Oh, there we go. I can see. What? Mallory not found. Okay. Whoa. I think this place is bigger than I realized. It's my egg. I think I'm getting some lag. Or something. It's like being glitchy and weird. What's happening? What the heck? Okay, well that says floor. Collision layer is 1. Electricity journalism, yeah. I think this area is too big. I don't think we realized how tiny the player was relative to everything. You know? Aneurysm V2 kind of goes hard.
I know what I gotta do and I know when I gotta do it, but I don't know if I wanna face it. My plate is filling up and I've surely had enough.
What do you guys think of Aneurysm V2? These songs are all by my brother, by the way.
Where I'm told that it will all be worth it. Why should I put my trust into the system it created when the system's completely broken? Waiting for the time when nothing's on my mind. I'm gonna have an aneurysm. Thinking about this and thinking about that. I'm using up all my wisdom.
Oh, all these rocks have their own collisions?
I don't know what to do and I haven't found an escape route. Billy's got it right. My mind's on overdrive. I'm feeling like I'm out of shape now. Some things are great, but some
Hey, you know, what's up? I'm working away at VR stuff. I'm playing my brother's music in the background. Large rock. I didn't realize he used rocks with meshes. So where does he have those models? That's forcing 2. Material, music, textures. I don't even see those. What? Where are these? He's using scatter. Oh, it's just a default asset. Aneurysm. Aneurysm. Yeah, so these do have collision shapes. I don't think these need to have collision shapes. Oh. Oh. Do I not have this set up with the cache? Yeah, I'm also working on Starground. This is a school project, actually, so it's kind of just something I have to do. Get out of here, ads! Yeah, ads have been snoozed. I'm not gonna completely rip them, just gonna change them a little. Be careful. Tread lightly. I, already said my piece, so... Last school project ever? I guess so. Yeah. It is the final school project, yeah. Ah! Oh god. I have to make a, I know with this, I've used this before, there's like a cache node. The scatter cache, and it makes it so you don't have to regenerate this all the time. Breathing them in. So I'm gonna add, oh, he's probably gonna change this forest. But yeah, I am in a university and I'm graduating very shortly, in like 2 weeks, so I can't wait to be done forever. Oh. Not find cache file. Uh-oh. I think we have to regenerate it. Grants, thank you. I appreciate it. There, it should be regenerated now. And if I cause a ruckus. Still can't find the cache file. Oh well, we're just gonna not do the cache. I think that's mainly for initial like loading. So I think we should be okay. Oh, I'm actually in this song. We'll see. I apologize, I do not speak Russian, so I don't know what you're saying. Can you hear me in the background? No. I'm pretty sure I'm in this one. We'll wait and see. Imagine it being a pill capsule. And if I cause a ruckus. Okay, well, we gotta open up Blender now. So what I've been working on, I have to get all these different office assets. So we're gonna take this notebook and export that one. No, not you, Season. No. Okay, I'm pleased to hear. Oh, okay, you'll speak English, epic. Yeah, sorry that I can't understand Russian. So many people that know a million languages, and I just like barely know Spanish and English. It's hard to learn languages. I miss these little guys. But headphones aren't really an office supply. That's the issue. A keyboard is though. Trying to make a little joke, yeah. The keyboard is office supplies, right? Oh, I need to fill holes. What's going on down here? You guys see all these mesh errors? Quest hardware stopped working. Uh-oh. Nah, I think it just went to sleep. Rush for a little bit, and that was a nightmare. Yeah. Even just learning just Spanish is hard, and Spanish is supposed to be like easy. But the thing that's always just the hardest for me is just the grammar stuff, because it's totally different to how English works, where things have like genders and stuff, but it like changes the word. It's not just like a modifier like it is in English. That's the thing that's confusing to me. Because in English, if you want to reference man or whatever, you just say him. Well, yeah, but it's like the fact that like a word like pineapple has a gender. That's what's confusing. You know what I mean? Like, because in English, you don't say, like, there's just, you don't, pineapple is just pineapple. You know what I mean? I don't know. I don't know if I can. Nah, español es fácil. I don't remember. I don't remember much from my Spanish days.
I spent all day working on my base.
It's me.
A little more living space, but the creepers came and blew up my house. I hate. Oh
Get them off.
I made a diamond sword
Just to kill these mobs.
They always try to get into my base, so I took my diamond sword and I slashed their face.
This is a song about creepers, if you guys couldn't tell. It does go slightly hard.
There's creepers on my back, I can't get them off. I made a diamond sword just to kill these mobs.
Is that me in the background?
To get into my base, so
It is.
diamond sword and I slashed their face.
There's creepers on my back, I can't get them off. I made a diamond sword just to kill these mobs. They always try to get into my base, so I took my diamond sword and I slashed their face.
I hope you guys. Did I just say creeper? I didn't say aw man. I guess so. But yeah. This is a recent one. It's Hispanic raised in states, they also struggle. Yeah, it's hard. Language stuff is so hard. But I think immersion is a massive thing for people. I think it's easier to learn English just because of the fact that everything online is in English. Obviously, there's people online that don't speak English and like make videos and stuff that aren't in English, but it's kind of like the like primary, I guess you could say, like the most widely spread language online, at least, and I think that makes it much easier just by fact of immersion to learn English. But I don't know. Really want to understand English. Even now when I watch a stream, I don't understand 90% of the information. I'm very interested. Yeah. No, it just takes time. Immersion is the best way. Yeah, I do have a Minecraft song. Learning Russian is torture for people. Yeah, that would be really hard to learn a language like with a totally different alphabet. That would be hard. Cyrillic. Go on the track. I know it's crazy. The premise of the game is that you're the player, test subject V0001, or to colonize planet in the year 3024, because Earth has nothing left. You start to gain sentience and become aware that you are being tested in a simulation. You have to break out. Okay. Hence the game. So it's like a prequel to Starground. Yeah, do it up. Like coding in English, flight language is default English, yeah. Learn English once you're playing PC games, yeah. Finnish native language is extremely different from English, but it was very easy to learn just because it's used absolutely everywhere. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think that's the thing with English, yeah. Because, like, if I want to go learn Spanish, it's really difficult for me to do that. Because there's just... nothing is spoken in Spanish. Like, there are, like, I could turn on Spanish dubs and stuff on movies, I guess, but it's just difficult. Oh, this song goes hard. Saying something interesting, I don't get it. I apologize, yeah. You'll get there. Studied Chinese for a couple years. Reading is not hard at all, but speaking is impossible. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I think that's one thing I know that's kind of difficult learning English for a lot of people. Is because we have some stupid little funny words. Through, thorough, though, like, they're all, like, spelled the exact same way, but they're pronounced completely differently. And to someone that doesn't, like, who hasn't spoken the language very much, it's a very confusing thing, I would imagine. Dubs never work for me. Also be fluent in Japanese. Yeah, that's fair. Yeah. Watching video in English and then English just spawned into my head and I started understanding. Let's go. Yeah. I mean, that's how like we learned languages as babies, immersion. Because everyone around us was speaking these words and then we just started to like pick up on it. And I would imagine if our brains are hardwired to learn languages that way, it must be the best way. You know, through immersion like that. Even later on in life, even though our brains aren't as flexible as they used to be when we were young lads. But yeah. Immersion is hard though. I actually have one of my classes, there's one of the students is actually working on like a language learning like VR program / game so you can like learn languages through immersion in VR, which I thought was kind of a cool idea. Because I think that's the problem with all of these different language learning things like Duolingo and stuff. It just kind of throws words at you. But I think to actually be in like the environment where it's spoken would be much better. Did you know English is the hardest languages in the world? Is it? Well, I don't know. It probably just depends. I think that would be subjective. Because to me, natively speaking English, it doesn't seem that hard to me. But that's the thing. I'm totally biased, so. Installing Fallout 4 and it's almost done and realize it's going to the wrong drive. No. Well, it's okay. You can just transfer it across drives, but yeah, that's a bro moment. Arabic second, yeah. Interesting. I wonder why English became like the standard. You know what I mean? Because there were so many other languages that could have. It's the UK. Who am I kidding? They colonized everybody. Everybody started speaking English, and that's why it's the common, the universal everywhere now. Yeah. That's got to be it. All right. Did I export these? I think I did. It's UK's fault. Yeah, it's always UK's fault. They're always stealing all of everybody's artifacts and really valuable stuff, just putting it in their museums. Well, I don't think they do that much anymore, but okay, let's put these files in. No, not in models. Wait, yes? No. It's in scenes and items, yeah. Oh, I can't put them in this way, I forgot. I can do it this way. Oh, my desktop. Absolutely vile. Look, I'm also ashamed of my desktop, okay? I know it's a... Whoa, I know it's a problem. Wait, where is it? Huh? Where did I export these to? No, I swear I exported them to my desktop, didn't I? I'll just sort by date. Oh. I've heard all my life that English is the easiest language. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, again, I think it's just like, it's probably really subjective. Because to me, a language like Spanish would be really easy. But to someone else that has no idea about the Latin alphabet, it would probably be pretty difficult. Well, I say easy, but not actually easy. Like, easy as in it would be easier to learn that than something like Russian for me, but... Tiny island that controlled the world for so long. Yeah, they did. It's crazy. Wait. Arabic is the most popular language in the world, actually, because it's the language of the Universal Trade Center. That's true. It is right in the middle of the world. Yeah. Is that why they call it? Okay, I have a question. Why do they call it the Middle East if it's just the middle? Can I have an explanation for this, please? Heard Portuguese was the second hardest language. Yeah. The British have been behaving. Yeah, it's crazy. This guy's got no beef with those Canadians. Yeah, no. Canadians are epic. Okay, keyboard and... Oh yeah, I forgot they're super tiny for some reason. Why is the origin over there, bro? Come on. I don't know what's up with these objects specifically, but for some reason, the origins are just... What? Oh my goodness. It's like it doesn't save the origin, which is kind of annoying. Okay, good enough on that one. Oh, wait, it's not. Okay, that one's done. And then keyboard, which is going to be super tiny. Maybe a little smaller. Oops. Ah, no. No! Where'd my mouse just go? Hello? What's happening? Godot has made my mouse disappear. I have to close Godot. That's a little silly. It's the tree in Starground. Okay. Some 100 years lease, yeah. Only beef Brazil has currently is with Elon Musk. Why? Oh, I was looking at this. Get out of here. Listen to the interview with Pavel Durov. I have not listened to that interview, but I could. Maybe do that later. You know where your mouse... Where did it go? Because I'm curious. I know. My desktop is all gross. I've heard it all a million times over. The thing is that it's a pain to organize, and when I'm, like, busy, I don't feel like organizing. You know what I mean? That's my problem. So, got your Stegosaurus. Okay, so what I want to do is on the ready event, depending on the type, we're going to say get node type dot get children dot pick random dot visible equals true. So this is going to make a random object visible. Ow. And then I'm also going to do this. So type equals dot pick random. So it's either going to be... Oh, well, actually, I'm going to have to do... Because we have to have the right amounts of each one, so I can't just do pure random. tell you, but you'll get mad at me. I probably will get mad at you. I have an inkling. I should just hide all those files and use the file explorer. Yeah, I have in the past, but I don't know. Yeah, it does take forever to sort my desktop. That's the problem. Like in here, it's going to take me like 5 minutes to sort this if I want. It's stupid. And there's not that many files in there. And switching to Linux is not the solution. It is a solution, but that's like saying, oh, your car doesn't work, just blow it up. Then you won't have the car anymore, and then it's not broken. Hey, what's up, Zen? Use the search bar. If the search bar worked, it doesn't do fuzzy search. So if I search for something, like even like dough, it only searches for the things that exactly have that inside of it. And what is this? This is nothing. This is not anything. It's just dumb. It's stupid. And I'm tired of it. Somewhere to the left. Is it up anywhere? It's not broken because it doesn't exist. Exactly. That's not... I hate when people present that argument. I don't want to switch to Linux because then I won't be able to do anything. All of my games and stuff won't work. And I know you can get like a converter or whatever, an emulator, but it's like, why not just use Windows in the first place then? Okay. I'm just gonna do this for now. So, let's create another scatter. It's not, hello? There we go. So I think I can make another scatter node, right? Proton scatter. Ah! Okay, our item will not be this one. It's just gonna be... item. Okay. And how many items will we have? 5, 10... maybe 15 items. Why is there one tree? Yeah, I fixed it. Let's create a user with a capital letter on it and everything broke. I mean, you know, here's the thing. Linux has its place. I'm not denying that fact, you know. I think Linux is a much better operating system for something like a server, you know, where you need it to run good. So, I don't have any beef against Linux. It's just for a daily driver computer where you need flexibility, I think that's where it loses its advantages. Because Windows, let's be real, has way better like support for programs and stuff, just because it's the most popular. But without Windows, I think it would kind of suck to do anything. Let's go like 12 on this, maybe. Just trying to think what would work good here. Let's go like 14 on it. Let's go like 16 on it. Okay, so it needs to go a little bit over here. That seems pretty good to me. And then what we're gonna do also is add another... I'm just gonna call it range. Then we're gonna add another shape, but this one's gonna be a negative. And it's just gonna be in a box around the tree. Because I don't want the items to spawn in the tree, obviously. That'll do. Okay. So theoretically, it should spawn a bunch of random items. Ah, shoot. That's not gonna work, pal. No! Got booted back to the regular. Let me use my fingies. God damn. I swear to Gloop Gorp gamers. We can't find your headset. Be quiet, Oculus. It's opening? But I don't have it open. Oh. Oh. Uh-oh. Cannot call method get service count on a null value. So why? Okay, wait. Let me read through all this. 12 million items. That'd be a lot. What you guys are doing with Linux? Never had any big problems with it. Well, it's not that it's like I have problems with Linux. It's just, I think the compatibility with Linux is my problem. Because there's a lot of programs I use on Windows that you can't really use on Linux. Yeah, Linux is good. Yeah, it's just not the best, I would say. It's not very, like, versatile, I would say, personally, when it comes to, like, normal computer use. Spawn Twitch chat as an item in VR? Yeah. That would be epic. I would. If I could figure it out. Okay, why is Proton Scatter dying now? Ugh. So what is it doing? On a null value. From disk. What is proportion? I'm pretty sure that's just a number. Totally do that Twitch API. Yeah, you could. I'm just not gonna go through the trouble of that right now. I don't know why this isn't working or why it keeps crashing. That's no fun. Anybody know? Maybe I have to set it to create copies. Get children. Oh, there we go. Oh. God, can I get any more stupid? I'm a freaking idiot, guys. Multiplayer. It would be fun if we could do a Twitch little multiplayer experience. Whoa, what is going on? Okay. Oh, you can see the items. I'm just gonna move the player up. Don't fall through the world, please. Oh. Is that? Is that an item? No. So something's wrong. It's not, Oh, I know why. Can I change this into a, not a sphere? A base shape? What is a base shape? I mean, I know I can do a box, but that's not really what I want. Oh well, I guess this is what I'm stuck with. Oh, wrong one. Hey, what's up? Jack's channel, how's it going? Welcome to the stream. Alright, well this'll do, I suppose. So, this should hopefully project down. Looks like it is. We're gonna try it. Oh. Whoa! All right. It's working, gamers. Now, can I grab? They're too big. But let's get up close to one, shall we? Oh yeah. Come here. Ugh. I just put my controller in the trash bag, son. You're doing good? Awesome. Glad to hear. Get out of here, ads! Well, guys, we did it. Items spawn now. Hello! Was that Moan? I don't know. So, items are too big, players too small. That's kind of the verdict right now. I hope we can make the player bigger. Can I just scale the player up? Like, nah, that won't work. I think inside of here we can change the player height. Actually, the world scale, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that's way better. This would do, you know? The collision of these objects is a little funny, so I'm gonna have to change it, but... Like, the keyboards are just kind of floating. Same with the notebooks. But it's looking pretty good. Make a big boy? I might. I hope my teammate does not change this scene, because I just got it all set up. Let's see. Okay. I am gonna have to leave here pretty soon because I have a game design club I have to go to. But in the meantime, I have so many in debt. Yeah. Okay. I think we gotta get the Just Dance stream going. So how do you play Just Dance? I mean, you need like one of these dance pads, right? I don't want to leak my address. I'm trying not to leak my address. We want something like this, right? Censored camera? Oh, okay. There was one I think I saw called like Open Dance or something. They have a 2024 version? How do I play it? Oh, it's on the Switch. Well, I could just play it on the Switch. I have a Switch. I don't need that? Okay. Oh, I think I'm thinking of Dance Dance Revolution. Aren't I? Yeah. I'm thinking of this stuff. One of these things. I forgot that they're different things. There's a free game on Nintendo. Yeah. I'll just do that then. That'll be fine. Okay. Let's get down to business. I gotta play the ad. It's been too long. It's getting mad at me and won't let me snooze anymore. Revolution overthrow the government? I think so. Okay. So I added Italian, right? Okay, so I just want to confirm. Google Sheets. Sheets. So the only one I think I haven't added yet is French. Because Italian's here, right? Yeah. I don't know about the meme. Is it like France is always overthrowing the government type of thing, or I don't know. I'm sorry, I just don't know. Where's the flag? Oh, here it is. So guys, I don't know if you've realized the French flag is just the Italian flag with different colors. Oops. Done. So let's... What's Italian too? No. Italians are the French, apparently. Yeah. For real. Can you guys believe that? That French is just for real? There we go. Time to add that to the change log. Why is that one open? I still have all those notes open from the Dadbot mod. Hold on, let me close something here. Okay. Is this the new changelog? Ah! Uh-oh. Where was my change log? God dang it. I don't think it saved it. Can I... Let me see. Cover an unsaved file. Click Settings. Preferences. I had a file with the new changes in it, but it's gone. Find Notepad plus backups. Default directory. Backup. Oh, it's right there. Notepad A B C D E F G H I J K elemental P Q R S T. I missed it. Backup. Here we go. Now I thought it was like, was it new 79? No. When would it have been? See, this is the old change log. Okay, well, it's not 59, not 55. It's not 60. I thought it was 79. But clearly it's not. 75. You gotta be careful about what I'm opening here. Is it this one? No, that one's empty. What would it have been called? Any ideas? Oh, I see. Some of these are super old. The only one that's autosaved or backed up here is just this one. Shoot. Well, I might have lost everything. That is most certainly too bad. Unless it is here and I'm just looking at the wrong one. I'm gonna go through the list. I'm gonna start closing ones that don't matter anymore. Huh. That's too bad. I needed that. Shoot, man. I don't know why I didn't save. I wish I did now. Wish I did save it. I mean, I didn't. Did I? Did I save it? There's major lag. I think it's just you. It seems like the stream is fine. Maybe I did save it, and that's why it's okay. Because I've never had this happen before. If only it would sort my desktop. Okay, I've got... No. Ah! Sorry, it's just frustrating because I had other important notes down there too. Oh well. Let's restart the changelog, try to remember everything. I'll look through GitHub to see what I did, actually. Yeah, that's really unfortunate. I guess I gotta clean up my notes better. So that's all that stuff. Change the crafter frame progress, I guess. Actually fix an issue with the treadmill hearing for clients. What else have I done? That's pretty much it. The thing that is really frustrating is I had like some like little notes I put down where I was like, I'm gonna do this or something. And now I just don't know. So that really sucks. Yeah, it is too bad. I do have way too many freaking text things here. We gotta get rid of all these. I will... Oh, my monitor went dark. Close that one. Sorry that you guys can't see this. I'm just, getting rid of stuff. Old garbage that I do not need anymore. What is this? Delete that. Oh, that's all the stuff for, blah, blah, get rid of that. Really should do this probably like off stream, but you know. What are you gonna do, right? I can delete that. There's so many in here. It's gonna take me 1,000 years. All right. Anyways, I do kind of have to end the stream off here. Because I have to go to my club. Gotta hear a VR notification. But we got the item spawning working, which is cool. That's kind of the main thing I want to get done today. So, yeah. Anyways, time to go to chatting mode. Oh yeah, sorry for the short stream today. Oh yeah, sorry. I was late to the stream today, which was a bruh moment. Hey, Troopin, what's up? I was just ending stream. I apologize, but we'll be back on Friday. But yeah. So we have to go pick somebody to raid. Sedalix is streaming, and I've gotten a few raids from him, so I would like to raid him back. Oh. Okay. Anyways, thank you everybody so much for coming to the stream. I apologize for the people that just showed up. But yeah, we have to end things off. But I'll be back Friday, and we'll probably work more in Starground. Maybe work on another dungeon, maybe? We'll see. We'll see what we're going to do then. Okay, I'm going to go start the raid. Yeah, thank you everybody. Thank you, Abra, for the gifted subs. It's crazy. And let's go get this started. It's a pretty small raid, but that's okay, right? All right. And all right, we're gonna start the raid. Thank you everybody. Be sure to join the Discord if you want to keep up to date on everything, get pings for streams and stuff. So all right, bye bye everybody.